Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media volume in settings. So you guys can either do that here by pressing the power, not the power, but the volume up button. As you guys can see, my media volume is at max, but also we can go to settings and here go to sounds and vibration. Now here, as you guys can see, we will have the volume, and now here we will be able to change the media volume. So basically you cannot change the call volume here. It's also good, it would be good if you could adjust it in the settings, but you can't. So if you can adjust the call volume whenever you're in a call, then do that. Make sure to set it at max, and after that make sure to disable the do not disturb mode. It's also in the sounds and vibration. It's here, but somewhere else. As you guys can see, we have the looking for something else. Now click here on do not disturb, and here make sure that it is not enabled. So disable it, and then what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills. So we have the speaker grills right here. As you guys can see, we can easily clean them, and after we clean them with a soft brush or a soft cloth, then what we can do is we can update our software to fix any audio glitches. So go back to the main page of the settings. Now scroll with your finger all the way down until you guys see software update, and here click on download and install. Here you will check for updates automatically, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. Now after you update, you should have the normal volume back. But if not, then I recommend visiting the service center to get a professional checkup made by a technician and not me. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.